Welcome back, everyone, to our Ideas Worth Sharing, our YouTube channel. We go beyond just sharing ideas, but we also help everyone kickstart their career by providing them job applications that does not require any prior experience and interview tips with free skills tutorials.
The Voice Teens Philippines 2020 Grand Finalist. The promising ballader and camzer Calvin, let's follow him and support his live stream.
Okay, ito po pinakalasong na talaga. And again, maraming salamat po. Thank you, Kuya Angelo. Again, thank you so much for letting me makaakyat. Kuya Angelo, thank you so much. And thank you po. Hello. Thank you po. Salamat po. Yan. It's gonna be my last song po. Salamat po ulit. And enjoy sa inyong lahat po. Yes, I do. I believe that one day I will be where I was, right there, right next to you. And it's hard, the day just seems so dark. The moon and the stars are nothing without you. Your touch, your skin, where do I begin? No words can explain the way I'm missing you. At the night, there's emptiness, this hole that I'm inside. These tears, they tell her own story. Told me not to cry when you were gone. But the feeling's overwhelming, it's much too strong. Can I lay by your side next to you? And make sure you're alright. Take care of you. And I don't wanna be here if I can't be with you tonight. I'm reaching out to you. Can you hear my call? Oh, this earth that I've been through, I'm missing you like crazy. Can I lay by your side next to you? And make sure you're alright. Take care of you. And I don't wanna be here if I can't be with you tonight. Oh, I won't lay me down tonight. Lay me by your side. Lay me down tonight. Lay me by your side. And I lay by your side next to you. Thank you so much po. Maraming salamat po.